Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. On a donut good? I sure hope so. Well guys, today on my channel I'm going to be making some cinnamon rolls. Okay, these are my ingredients that I need to make my cinnamon moist, delicious, easy to make rolls. Bread flour there, softened butter, some milk to enrich my flour, and this is 2.5 cups of my bread flour that I'm using. So let me remove this from here. Okay, I have a egg here. I have instant yeast. You can use the dry active yeast as well. Okay, I have some salt because salt gives flavor. You need a little salt in it, of course. And I can't forget my cinnamon, because there's no cinnamon roll without cinnamon. That doesn't make a sense. And I have some more butter here for my frosting. I have my powdered sugar here. I have more milk, vanilla, of course, for my frosting, and I have some brown sugar that I'm going to use as well. My Philadelphia cream cheese, and I'm only using an 8-ounce tray. All right. So if you want to see how I get this done, just continue to watch. So guys, first thing first, I'm gonna get my yeast going, and I have some warm milk here guys, not hot, just warm enough. Okay, because if it's too hot guys, it will kill the yeast, and if it's too cold, then it still won't activate it. All right, so yeast is a funny thing. That's why a lot of people don't like working with it. My sugar, need the sugar to let the yeast eat food. Yes. And I'm going to go ahead guys and put a teaspoon of salt in my flour. Remember, we're using instant yeast here guys, so we dump everything in. All right, use my spatula. Was the right amount of mixture. Okay, and you can use all-purpose flour as well. Guys, I'm just going to cover this for about 20-25 minutes, and I'll come back to it. All right guys, it's been 25 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to dust my surface slightly. Turn my dough out. See how soft and smooth it is already guys. A couple bang on the board. Just gonna put some oil guys in my pan. So smooth this is. In a warm place, that is. That would always be my oven. So I'll see you back in an hour time. It should double in size. Let's do something right guys. Put it in the warmest place in your house, okay? Should double in size. I'll see you back then in an hour time. So in the meantime, guys, my dough is in a warm place, being proof. I'm gonna make my filling. I have half cup of brown sugar here and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. So I'm just gonna mix it together, just like so. And I'm gonna just set this aside, okay? Remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. If you haven't done so yet, please, I'm asking you to do so. Thank you. You can use granulated sugar too, guys, if that's what you have or that's what you want to use, but I'm using brown sugar here. I'm just gonna cover it and set it aside. I'm cleaning my hair, guys, because I'm gonna roll my dough here, so I'm making sure it's well clean. So as you can see, guys, my dough is nicely risen. It's doubled in size. So I'm just gonna take this off. And I'm just gonna punch the hair out of it. This is a fun part for me. Ooh wee! Oh boy. I'm just gonna lightly flour my hair, guys, just so you don't get to stick on it. What I'm gonna do, guys, flour my roller a little so it doesn't stick, and I'm just gonna roll it out in a rectangular shape, okay, to about 18 inches in length and about 1/4 inch thick. See, I wanted about 1/4 inch thickness. Okay, so I'm gonna put my softened butter on. Make sure it's softened enough, guys, room temperature. Try not to come too close to the edge here, because you're gonna seal it. And remember my cinnamon sugar mixture, just gonna add it. Generously, guys. And I'm now going to roll, guys. Okay, and roll it as tight as you can. Just continue this rolling process until you're at the end of your dough, okay? Till it's not hard. The hardest part is just to get the whole proofing process, you know. You just pinch, you're at the end. Pinch to seal, okay? And seal it, you know, you form it into like a cylinder in a sense, you know what I mean? I'm gonna use my scraper here, guys. You can use your serrated knife if you have that. And I'm cutting off the ends, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna try and cut them as even. My baking dish. And generously butter your baking dish, guys, all right? So we'll put the cut side up, okay guys, remember. So I'm just going to do the rest off camera and I'll be back. So there it is, guys. I'm just gonna cover these again. Yes. For another, again guys, for another 40 minutes. And then they'll be ready to bake. In the meantime there, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350. And I'll bake these for 20 to 22 minutes or until nicely golden. Okay, so I'll see you back then, guys. This is their second proofing. Okay, so I'm just gonna let them ferment. So this is it, guys, after 45 minutes. I said 40 minutes, I give it 45. See, nicely risen. Okay, so I'm just going to pop them in my oven. At 350 for 20 to 22 minutes. Okay. So they're in my oven, guys. So guys, I have 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, softened that is, and some cream cheese in here as well. I'm just gonna add my vanilla in. There it is, guys, all done. Just ready for my frosting now. So I'm just letting it cool for a little before I put my frosting on. I'm going to put my frosting on my rolls now, guys. I'm just using my spatula here to do it. If you want to add more to yours so it can totally cover it and all of that, go right ahead. I don't like it like that, but you do what you like in your kitchen. Okay, it's your food. So there it is, guys, all done. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye. I'm just gonna take one out, guys, so you can see.